Welcome back everybody, welcome back to the Doc Squiffy channel. How are you today? What day are we? Tuesday, and we're still going. We've got a few more videos to bring you this week, and today we're going to bring you those hidden codes for Netflix. A whole list of them, and I'm going to show you how they work, how to use them. I'm going to need one favour from you guys. Tell me if I'm talking too fast in this video. I am trying to work better on talking slower, without sounding patronising in that aspect. I get a lot of comments. I get too excited when recording, I boom, smash through it, and I've gone way too fast. People are having to slow down. If ever that happens, there is an option on YouTube you can slow down my voice. So look in the cog icon down there somewhere, and in the settings you can slow down the video a little bit. Before we get started though guys, we're going to bring you a list of Netflix codes. I have actually covered this on my other channel, and I wanted to bring you it again because we're doing a few more videos regarding Netflix on this channel later this week, because we've got some things about extensions on web browsers for them, things which will make it work better, give you better search options, give you pop-out players, everything like that. So if that's the sort of video you may be interested, do remember guys, if you can, hit that subscribe button, come and check out the channel. We are slightly tweaking the content, still staying within the same area of tech, streaming, everything like that, and we're bringing you some great videos. Yesterday, we brought you a great video regarding antivirus and not paying for antivirus, and today we're going to get these Netflix codes sorted out for you. So what are Netflix codes, guys? Netflix codes are certain codes you can use to search Netflix and find a specific category for you, okay? So when you scroll through your Netflix normally, let's get Netflix open. When you scroll through your Netflix normally, all you get is loads of content. Obviously, there's tons of content in Netflix, but on Netflix you get content is mainly based around what they think you want to watch, or a selection of about sort of 10 to 15 films per genre, or you can obviously search your usual films if you know what you're looking for, things like that, or you've got your populars, everything like that, guys, okay? It's all here for you, and you know, Netflix is one of my favourite streaming services these days. I watch it the most, love these programs, I love them. But what we've got is an access of a load of codes, guys, okay? Loads of codes. These codes will bring you search direct, guys, okay? Let me demonstrate one, okay? So maybe you wanted to watch action thrillers, okay? So we write in 43048. And in Netflix here, you can type in 43048. And all these will be action thrillers, guys, okay? They're all action thrillers for you. So this is a great way to find new films you may want to watch, different things you may want to watch. What else should we... Let me prove it works. So maybe you want something for the children, which is suitable for certain age groups. Movies for ages 5 to 7, okay? 5455. So we type that in here. 5455. And here is movies ages for 5 to 7. And it gives you a great genre of it, guys, okay? This is brilliant, okay? I'm saying okay a lot today. So what else could we look at? Foreign documentaries, 5161. And now we have foreign documentaries, guys, all here for you. Brilliant. And again, a list and list. And this is really useful. I find it so good when you're actually trying to find something to watch. I am demonstrating today on a PC, on the web browser version. This works on the same on your Fire Stick, your Android box, wherever you watch Netflix on your phone. Options we have on here. This list will be linked directly underneath the video, guys. So go and have a look anyway. Have a little nose through it if you are a Netflix user. If you use it on the PC version, you can actually click and go straight through it. Because I'm logged in, you can actually click straight through them, okay? So here it even brings up Asian action films, and it's directly on for you guys, okay? It's different this way, because I'm logged into my account. I can actually just click them off the website, because they're all linked. And we will put a shout out to Free Tech on this one, guys. He done the list. He let me borrow the list to show you guys, my followers, which is really nice of him. Cult horror movies, so we can actually just click them instead of typing them, if you're logged in on the same web browser, guys, okay? Good. I think writing the code for me is better, but the classic dramas, 29809. 29809. There we go. All here again for you guys. I just think it's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant list. I know I've probably been talking too quick as always, but this list will be directly underneath the video, guys, okay? Directly underneath, pinned comment, and in the description. Later in the week, if you're interested, we're going to go through, for any of you guys who may use Netflix on a PC, because I know a lot of you will do, especially while you're working and things like that, we're going to cover how you can pretty much use it while you're working. So it'll go in a small screen in the bottom, which isn't part of Netflix, some different search criterias, a different way to use fast forward and quick keys, loads of little add-ons, extensions you can add to it to make it even better. So if that's something you may be interested, do remember to hit that subscribe button, drop me a follow, drop me a comment underneath, and I'll be back then. There's been great talking to you again on another video from the Doc Squiffy channel. We're glad to be trying to bring this channel back with new content, slightly different content, which I hope you will all enjoy going forward. There's a lot of tech coming, guys. We are going to cover streaming a little bit, but most of that's over on streaming news now. So we will be dabbling in it, like Netflix stuff and things like that. But we're going to be going more around the tech side of it, should we say, the PC side of it, little bits like that, just so it's slightly different. I don't want to keep repeating my content, although we have done this video before. Anyway, I've been Doc Squiffy. This is the Doc Squiffy channel, and I'll see you soon.